Body on tete, on tete, on tete. Where you going, baby? Get up, get up, get up in high.
You want a Papa girl? Call me. You want Chanel? Call me. You want a G6? Call me.
Girl, I want.
Guys, happy new year. Oh my god, I thought I did an intro for this video but I didn't, so I'm really sorry about that. Let's just get right into the tutorial. I'm just priming my eyes as usual with my Girl concealer in pure beige, and I'm taking that upwards, then I'm blending it with a brush. I'll be going ahead to set my eyes with Laura Mercier setting powder. You can actually use any setting powder you want. So for my eyes, I'm going in with a brown shade. This one is from Juvia's Place. I'm going to be leaving all the details in the description box. Then I'll be taking an orange shade from my Bella Cosmetics palette, and I'll just be going in with the two shades and trying to blend them. I get asked a lot what I use to curl my crease. I always use the Girl concealer. If I don't, I will state that, but I literally always use the Girl concealer. So I have this shade that I don't use. Instead of letting, oh, that's my Snapchat right there. So instead of letting that sit in my makeup organizer, I'd rather use it. So that's why I use the Girl concealer. It's a light shade, as you guys can see. You actually have to set your concealer whenever you use it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going in with the same first brown shade I used. I'll just be swiping that. Can you guys see that gap line right there? I actually don't want that, so I realized that no, I did not set that area, hence the huge gap. So I went back in, set the place, and came back, and yeah, that's it basically. I'm doing my winged liner today, you guys. I doubt I can remember doing a winged liner right here, so I'm going to be doing this 2018 just to pierce hearts, you know. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm using what's that brand again? I'm going to state that.
Sunday na baseline. Girl, I wanna poke you like Pokemon. I wanna pack you like Pokemon. Oh Lord, this girl go kill the person. Yeah. Forget about Fatima, yeah. She wanna roll with a Fatima, yeah. Waiting this sugar daddy's go cause yeah. Body on tete, booty on tete, wake up and flee. Party on na.
Guys, I'm done with my eyes. Next, I'm going to be using my MAC Prep Plus Prime first on my skin as a base. Ooh, I took too much of that. Okay, let's do this.
Let me go behind you, make you feel alright.
I just realized like I'm just wearing one earring. I'll just take it. Next, I'm going to be using the Porefessional by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'll be using that as my primer today.
Big sponsor.
My God.
I'm applying my color corrector under my eyes.
What else? Your body will kill me.
Then wherever I have dark spots,
Downtown. Your body will kill me. What else?
also go ahead and apply my foundation, and obviously you guys know it's the H&E foundation.
Baby, my for your body, yo. Dress for your body, yo. Sing for your body, yo. Baby.
So you guys, I'm done with that. I'll just go ahead and take my beauty blender and blend everything.
Anything for your body, yo. Girl, I wanna take you personal. Fight for your mother like a wrestler. Stay for your body like a painkiller. Baby, your body na sisima.
So next, guys, I'm going to be taking my Girl concealer, and I'm going to be using chestnut. Chestnut is just like a shade lighter. I just don't want to go two shades lighter today.
They wear bikini intentionally to show ties. Nobody compared to my baby cause they be low price. They get anybody in a boys, he be friendly tundra. Now the goes in Kemuda and Memo Daddy Lumba. Yes. Made the Messamba Cano crack Jimmy Gunsa. Carpenter Timmy Fear cause I'm a Jubia me boompa. Yeah. so ponting, I'm swimming jam and how she be say uniform. Said the private coach, she be just a backpack, cause niggas in meaning until I'm swimming in the form of what else.
So to set my highlight, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier setting powder.
For your body like a painkiller. Sweet to your body,
yeah, you see.
Do you guys even see the nose contour? I'm using my NYX setting spray. So guys, after a very long time, I'm going to be using my loose highlighter, and this one is from Trend Heave. Oh my god, I really miss this. I'm so excited that I remembered that, oh, there's a highlighter like this. First is the loose highlighter, so obviously you can mix it up with your sprays to get like a doe. You can mix it up with your sprays to get like a glowy finish.
Girl, I wanna take you personal. Fight for your mother like a wrestler. Pay for your body like painkiller. Baby, your body like Sissima. Oh, Sissima. Bassima. Order your Ubra, my yentina. Pay for your body like a painkiller. Oh, sweet to your body like Sissima.
You know what?
Are you guys seeing this? I just blend it upwards in my hand so it doesn't have this rough unblended look. We're going ahead and I'm putting it on my brow bone. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Your body in a fire. Your body in a fire.
So guys, on my lips I have Colourpop Embellish and a little bit of tunis, baby, just so it doesn't give me like harsh lines. Yeah, so that's the lip recipe.
Wake up and flee. Party on 999.
If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.